ब्रह्मा शिवो मे अस्ति सदा शिवम् श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। महादीपं सन्दर्शयामि। ओम नमो भगवते रुद्राय नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यव उतो दैशवे नमः। नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यां ते नमः। या तैषु शिवतमा शिवं बभूवते धनुः शिवा शरव्याय तव तया नो रुद्रमृडय। या ते रुद्रशिवा तनूरघोरा पापकाशिनी तया नस्तनुवाशन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिचाकशीः। यामिषुं गिरिशन्तहस्ते बिभर्षस्तवे शिवाङ्गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि गुंशीः पुरुषं जगते। शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्छा वदामसि यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असते। अद्य वोचति वक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषके हीगिस्तु सर्वान् जम्बयन् सर्वाश्चातु धान्यः। असो यस्ताम्रो अर्णवत बभ्रुषु मङ्गलः। ये क्षेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दक्षश्रुता सहस्रशो वैसागुं हेन ईमहि। असौम्यो सर्पजनीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उदैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नदहार्यः। उदैनं विश्वभूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयादिनः। नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीडुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः। प्रमुञ्चदन्वनस्त्वमुभयोराग्नियोर्ज्यां याश्च देहस्तैषवपराता भगवो वप। अवदत्यदनुस्वहं सहस्राक्षते सुते निशीर्य शल्यानामुकाशिवो नः सुमना भव। विद्यन्दनुःकपर्दिनो विशल्यो बाणवागुम् उत अनेशन्नश्येषव आबुरस्य निषङ्गदिः। या ते हेतिर्मीदिष्टमहस्ते बभूवते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा। नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातदाय कृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव तन्वने परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणत्तु विश्वतः अतो य इषिरिस्तवारे अस्मन्निदेशितम्। नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय नित्यानन्दाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदा शिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः। नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनान्ये दिशां च पतये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये नमो नमः सस्पिञ्जराय त्विषीमते पत्तीनां पतये नमो नमो बब्लुषाय विव्याधिनेन्नानां पतये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्टानां पतये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगतां पतये नमो नमो रुद्राय तथा विने क्षेत्राणां पतये नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्तपतये वृक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो मन्त्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्कृताय औषधीनां पतये नमो नमः उच्चर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्तीनां पतये नमो नमो कृष्णवीताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः। नमः ओम नमः सहमानाय निव्याधिना व्याधिनीनां पतये नमो नमः खगवाय निषङ्गिने स्तेनानां पतये नमो नमो निषङ्गिनै श्रुतिमते तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो वञ्चते परिवञ्चते स्तायूनां पतये नमो नमो निषेधवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः श्रीकाविभ्यो जिगागुं सद्भ्यो मुष्णतां पतये नमो नमः श्रीमद्भ्यो नक्तञ्चरभ्य प्रकृन्तानां। ओम नमो हिरण्यबाहवे हिरण्यवर्णाय हिरण्यरूपाय हिरण्यपतये अंबिकापतये उमापतये पशुपतये नमो नमः। ओम हंसाय विद्महे परमहंसाय धीमहि तन्नो हंस प्रचोदयात्। श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। कर्पूर नीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि। The next offering of the Uttamottam Seva is the offering of Chaturvedam. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhuma Akilanda Kodi Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Hameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Chaturveda Priya Chaturvedam Avadharya Om Agnimi Ere Purohita Yajnasya Devam Ritvitam Hota Aram Ratnadhatamam Hari Om Sheto Jetva Vagyavastopaya वस्तस्य देवो वस्य पिता प्रार्पयत श्रेष्ठतमाय कर्मणे हरि ओम अग्नाय हि वीतये ग्रनानो हव्यतातये निहोत्सा सच्छि परिशिषि हरि ओम शन्नो देवीरभीष्टय आपो पवन्तु बीजये संयोरभिश्रवन्तु नः हरि ओम देवदेवोत्तम देवता सार्वभौम अखिलांडकोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव आगमश्लोक प्रिय आगमश्लोकानवधार्य लीनं मोद्निमि यत्सर्वं भैरवत्वेन भावयेत् तत्सर्वं भैरवाकार तेजस्तत्त्वं समाविशेत् देवदेवोत्तम देवता सार्वभौम अखिलांडकोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव स्तोत्र प्रिय स्तोत्रम् अवधार्य श्रीकान्तद्रुगिनोपमन्युतपन स्कन्देन्द्रनद्यादयः प्राचीना पुरवोऽपि यस्य करुणा देशागदा गौरवं तं सर्वादिगुरुं मनोज्ञवपुषं मन्दस्मितालङ्कृतं चिन्मुद्राङ्कितमुद्रपालिनयिनं चित्ते शिवं कुर्महे दुःस्वप्नदुश्चग्नदुर्गतिदुर्मनस्य दुर्भिक्षदुर्व्यसनदुस्सहदुर्यशांसि उत्पात तापविषभीतिमसद्गृहाति व्यागींशनाशेतु मे जगदामदीशः ॐ नमो भगवते सदाशिवाय सकलतत्त्वात्मकाय सर्वमन्त्रस्वरूपाय सर्वयन्त्राधिष्ठिताय सर्वतन्त्रस्वरूपाय सर्वतत्त्वविधुराय ब्रह्मरुद्रावतारिणे नीलकण्ठाय पार्वतीमनोहराय सोमसूर्याग्निलोचनाय भस्मोद्धूलितविग्रहाय महामणिमकुटधारणाय माणिक्यभूषणाय सृष्टिस्थितिप्रलयकालरौद्रावताराय दक्षाध्वरध्वंसकाय महाकालभेदनाय मूलाधारिकनिलयाय तत्त्वातीताय गंगाधराय सर्वदेवादिदेवाय षडाश्रयाय सकलवेदान्तसाराय त्रिवर्गसाधनाय अनंतकोटि ब्रह्मांड नायकाय अनंतवासुकितक्षककारकोटकशंखगुलिकपद्म महापद्मेदि अष्टमहानागकुलभूषणाय प्रणवस्वरूपाय चिदाकाशाय आकाशदिक्स्वरूपाय ग्रहनक्षत्रमालिने सकलाय कलंकरहिताय सकललोकैककर्त्रे सकललोकैकभर्त्रे सकललोकैकहर्त्रे सकललोकैकसंहर्त्रे सकललोकैकगुरवे सकललोकैकसाक्षिणे सकलनिगमगुह्याय सकलनिगमगुह्याय शराङ्कशेखराय शाश्वतनिराभासाय निराभासाय निरामयाय निर्मलाय निर्लोभाय निर्मदाय निश्चिन्ताय निरहङ्काराय निरङ्कुशाय निष्कलङ्काय निर्गुणाय निष्कामाय निरुपप्लवाय निरवध्याय निरन्तराय निष्कारणाय निरन्तकाय निष्प्रपञ्चाय निःसङ्गाय निर्द्वन्द्वाय निराधाराय निराघाय निष्क्रोधाय निर्मलाय निष्पापाय निर्भयाय निर्विकल्पाय निर्भेदाय निष्क्रियाय निस्तुलाय निःसंशयाय निरञ्जनाय निरुपमभिभवाय नित्यशुद्ध बुद्ध परिपूर्ण सच्चिदानन्दाद्वयाय परमशान्तस्वरूपाय तेजोरूपाय तेजोमयाय जय जय रुद्र महारौद्र भद्रावतार महाभैरव कालभैरव कल्पान्तभैरव कपालमालाधर खट्वांग खड्ग चर्म पाशांकुश टमरो शूल चाप भान गद शक्ति भिंदिपाल तोमर मुसल मुद्गर पाश परिग भुजुंडी शतग्नि चक्राद्यायुध भीषणकर सहस्रमुखदं श्राकल करालवधन विकटाटहास विस्पारित ब्रह्मांड मंडल नागेन्द्र कुंडल नागेन्द्रहार नागेन्द्रवलय नागेन्द्र शर्मधर मृत्युंजय त्र्यंबक त्रिपुरांतक विश्वरूप विरूपाक्ष विश्वेश्वर ऋषभवाहन विश्वतोमुख सर्वतो रक्ष रक्ष मां ज्वलज्वल महामृत्युम् अपमृत्युभयं नाशय नाशय चोरभयम् उच्छादय उच्छादय विषसर्पभयं शमय शमय चोरान् मारय मारय मम शत्रूनुच्छादय उच्छादय शूलेन विधारय विधारय कुठारेण भिन्धि भिन्धि खड्गेन छिन्दि छिन्दि खट्वाङ्गेन विपोतय विपोतय मुसलेन निष्पेषय निष्पेषय बाणे सन्तारय सन्तारय मम शत्रूनुच्छादय उच्छादय त्रिशूलेन विधारय विधारय कुठारेण भिन्धि भिन्धि खड्गेन छिन्दि छिन्दि खट्वाङ्गेन विपोतय विपोतय मुसलेन निष्पेषय निष्पेषय बाणे सन्तारय सन्तारय रक्षांसि भीषय भीषय अशेषभूतानि विद्रावय विद्रावय कूष्माण्ड मारीच वेताल ब्रह्मराक्षसगणान् सन्त्राशय सन्त्राशय माम् अभयं कुरु कुरु वित्रस्त्वं माम् आश्वासय आश्वासय दुःखादरं माम् आनन्दय आनन्दय शिवकवचेन माम् आच्छादय आच्छादय मृत्युञ्जय त्र्यम्बक सदाशिव नमस्ते नमस्ते देवदेवोत्तम देवता सार्वभौम अखिलाण्डकोटि ब्रह्माण्ड नायक श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिव द्राविड वेद प्रिय द्राविड वेदम् अवतारिक शिवातिरुचित्रम्बलम् தோடுடைய செவியன் விடையேறிவோதுவன் மதிசூடி காடுடைய சுடலை பொடி பூசியன் உள்ளம் கவர்கல்வன் ஏடுடைய மலரால் முனை நான் பணிந்தேத்த அருள் செய்த பீடுடைய பிரமாபுரமேவிய பெம்மானிவனன்றே முற்றல்லாமை இள நாகமோடு என முளைக்கொம்பு அவை பூண்டு கற்றலோடு கலனா பலிந்தேர்ந்தனதுள்ளம் கவர்கல்வன் கற்றல் கேட்டல்லுடையார் பெரியார் கடல் கையால் தொழுதெத்த பெற்றம் முர்ந்த பிரமாபுரமேவிய பெம்மானிவனன்றே நீர் பரந்த நிமிர் பொன் சடை மேலோர் நிலா வெண்மதி சூடி ஏர் பரந்த இனவல்வனை சோர என் உள்ளம் கவர்கல்வன் ஊர் பரந்த உலகின் முதலாகிய ஓரூர் இது என்ன போர் பரந்த பிரமாபுரமேவிய பெம்மானிவனன்றே சிவா திருச்சிற்றம்பலம்.
The next offering of today's Uttamottama Seva is the offering of Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana Prishiva Shakti Avishkaranam Avadaraya. नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityanandam, and I welcome all the Kailaya-vasis, devotees, disciples, and everyone who is watching this Paramashwar Shakti Avishkarna live. Today, we'll be manifesting the power of the breath dimension, and under the breath dimension, we'll be manifesting specifically the power of ability to draw anything and easily grasp the concept of any drawing without even any previous knowledge on a certain drawing. Let's say I give her a very famous painting that she doesn't know. Ma Lokapriya here will easily be able to, just with the power of her third eye, scan the topic and get the exact drawing onto the piece of paper and the exact details of how the drawing looks. So, as I mentioned earlier, we have with us Ma Nitya Lokapriyananda, and she's been in the Gurukul for around 6 to 7 years, and it's been a very, very nice journey with Lokapriya, as I was literally with her throughout the time that she was in Gurukul. And whenever this power of breath dimension comes up, she is a very spontaneous person who just goes and manifests the power with so much of confidence. So with this, I would like to now enter into the Shastra Pramana, in which Paramashiva himself describes about this power of breath in the Agamas. So the power of the breath dimension is from the Shiva Sutra, Sutra 1.19. The sutra goes as Shakti Sandhane Sharirotpatihi Shakti Sandhane Sharirotpatihi Shakti Sandhane Sharirotpatihi. The translation for this verse goes as, by aiming and fixing the self on Shakti, uniting in oneness with the supreme power, the embodiment of that which is cognized and willed manifests at once in its length, breadth, depth, and time and space dimension. So literally, as Paramashiva himself described in this Pramana, there are three known dimensions to us, which is the length, breadth, and depth. Length is the dimension of pure logic, in which powers such as Sarvajñatva, GPS scanning, and anything related to logic, being a human calculator, these things come under the dimension of length. Next comes the dimension of breadth, which is the creative aspect of oneself, such as art, music, dance, and all the creative aspects of one's being. So, powers related to the breath are such as today, like how she's going to manifest, ability to draw anything without even knowing the painting's history or the painting's details, or ability to dance, a form of dance that is completely unknown to the manifestor previously, or even singing a completely unique song that has never been composed before and just directly download it from the third eye. Such powers are manifested in breath. And next is depth, which is literally the conscious level of such as consciousness over matter, materialization, teleportation, levitation, including Akashic reading, as this is the dimension of where your consciousness gets directly involved and where you literally play with consciousness in the form of Shaktis. Just before we enter into today's power, I would also like to tell that this power is not something that can be easily expressed, and as I was telling in many Shakti Avishkarnas before, that when someone manifests a power, it's not just to show that they can do something new, but in fact to just break the certain cognitions that they carry that is stopping them from manifesting Paramashivatva and from stopping anyone around them who is witnessing this Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarna. Just by witnessing, your patterns can get completed and you will get a cognition shift after this Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarna is completed. And that is the beauty of Paramashiva's Shaktis, and that is the beauty of how completion happens, not just for the person who is doing, who is just a witness for these Shaktis. So now, we'll be starting the power manifestation, and as I've hidden a painting name from Lokapriya, the painting's name is Poppies. Poppies. So, with her, she has this blank sheet of paper on which she'll be writing whatever comes to her third eye and whatever Paramashiva shows her. And so we'll be starting by chanting the Mahavakya. So I request all the viewers and everyone online to please join your hands and chant the Mahavakya along with us as we enter into this powerful Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarna. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. So literally, as she's scanning, it's as equivalent as Paramashiva himself coming and flowing through the manifester as she manifests this power through her third eye. And all the online viewers and everybody who is watching this Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarna, you too can sit with your head, neck and spine in a straight line. Just close your eyes and connect to Swamiji through this powerful Mahavakya. And if you don't know this specific painting name that I have mentioned, you also can sit and manifest this power along with us as we manifest this power, and as she starts writing the details of this painting, you too can be in the space of oneness with Swamiji by chanting the powerful Mahavakya and write down whatever the third eye shows you. Anything that Swamiji shows you, whether it sounds very crazy or sounds completely relevant to the topic, it is all Paramashiva's Leelas. So just write down whatever the third eye shows you, whether your logic feels it is wrong, whether you feel it is wrong or right. Just write everything that you're able to see, and let's see whether it is matching the painting name. As Ma Lokapriya takes her time and allows Parameshwara to flow through her, let us all also resonate in the same space and also chant the Mahavakya as it's being played with Swamiji's own voice. Just by chanting the powerful Mahavakya, you yourself can experience a space of oneness with Swamiji, and as Swamiji himself has told, you yourself can experience his physical presence around you. So request for the Mahavakya to be played as Parameshwara flows through Ma Lokapriya and manifests this power of the breath dimension. So Ma Lokapriya, you ready? Yes. So just read out whatever Parameshwara has showed you through the third eye and let us see if it matches the picture that I have put up on Google.
So what Parameshwara showed me was I was able to see red, orange, yellow and purple flowers, and I was also able to see a huge garden especially filled with a lot of flowers, and also I was able to see one small wooden table with only one wooden chair, and I could also see like a water body, more like a river, and in the painting I saw the sky was blue, and another thing that I also saw was there was a hat which had like flower designs. So this is what I was able to see.
Okay, so as I'm pulling up the image on my phone, most of what Parameshwara has revealed to you is completely correct, as literally, like, if you can see in this picture, there are red, yellow and the different colors that she had described. All these flowers are there, and way behind there's actually a house that is completely wooden, and there's actually a lady below with a hat on top. So the hat is pretty prominent, and it's like a complete garden, which is also what Parameshwara had shown you through your third eye. So it was really amazing, as just without even knowing who even drew the painting or what the painting is about, just with the name of the painting, just with the name of the drawing, she was able to just manifest this power. And once again I'm going to be showing you guys the drawing. So now you can actually see that she had clearly written about the picture and it's completely correct. Comparing it with the drawing beside it. So with this, before we end today's Parameshwar Shakti Avishkarana, I wanted to reiterate the amazing news that Swamiji has just shared just few minutes before satsang had started about the new Kailasa in Tanjavur of the new Chola Samrajya Sarvajna Peetha. And once again, as someone had donated this 5-generation preserved temple, literally it is a big blessing to Sanatana Hindu Dharma that we are now, with Swamiji's blessings and grace, we are establishing a full-fledged Kailas over there with a full-fledged running Rajavidya Gurukul, a Goshala and so many different things. And you yourself can view this post on Facebook on Swamiji's personal wall as Sri Nityananda Paramashivam, and do share with all your friends and family, as only through reviving different Kailasas all over the world we are able to not only preserve our Sanatana Hindu Dharma but also make everyone manifest these powers of Paramashiva and radiate Paramashivatva around the world and as a oneness with Swamiji himself. So with this, I thank everyone for joining us live to this Parameshwar Shakti Avishkarana, and our humble gratitude to His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Shri Nityananda Parameshwaran for initiating us into these powerful Shaktis. Thank you all, Nityananda. The next offering is the offering of the Tirukailaya Vadyam of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva. देवदेवोत्तम देवता सार्वभौम अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव तिरुकैलाय वाद्य प्रिय तिरुकैलाय वाद्यम अवधारय.
दर्पा महाराज बोलूंगा बस चुम्मा बनना रेडी